Hello, graduates. Usually at this time of year, we are celebrating your success together, and that often includes a handshake as you proudly walk across the convocation stage. And while I look forward to a potential ceremony with you in the fall, today I want to wish you my sincere congratulations on your achievement. While there's much uncertainty in the world today, I can offer you some certainty, something that I know you can count on. And that's the education you've received at Mount Royal University has prepared you for the next step in your journey. For many of you in the Faculty of Continuing Education, that has included job-ready skills and training. You're set to expand your professional possibilities. You've gained real-world experience applying your classroom experiences to your practicums and community service. So feel confident in your education. As well, your accomplishments, the hard work and the adversity you've overcome, especially through these past few months, speaks to your resiliency, and that will serve you well too. At Mount Royal, we take pride in our community. You belong here. And that's more than just a slogan, it's a value that we strive for in all that we do. While you're moving on to the next phase of your life, you will always belong at Mount Royal. On behalf of everyone in the Faculty of Continuing Education, I wish you all the very best. Take good care.